empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
Every time I'm in the mirror, I see you looking at me, leaning on my shoulder, holding my hand, kissing my cheek. I don't know what to do now. You look at my phone, cause somehow it knows to remind me that it's over. Oh, I finally booked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics from the walls. I thought that I'd want somebody to hold me. It's not like me to not move on. 1 month in was horrible, and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2, I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams. Then 3, I felt like dying, and then 4, I couldn't breathe. 5 months are still with me. I'm still writing all the songs in the car, and I still check my phone, think you're calling. I still sometimes pretend you're here when you're not. Oh, and I still wear your t-shirt to bed, and I still read the text you would send, and I still wish that you were here when you're not. I wish you're gone. Thought it'd be a little clearer after some time, and I would see only me in the mirror, but you're still here looking at me. So when you said forever, was it a lie? What did you mean? Was the story really over? You know, in my book, it was you and me. I finally booked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics on the walls. You caught me laughing.